NoFap is a movement that encourages people to abstain from porn and masturbation to improve their mental and physical health. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of NoFap and what happens when you don't masturbate for 150 days. Increased confidence. Abstaining from porn and masturbation for 150 days through NoFap can lead to increased confidence because individuals regain control over their sexual urges. Masturbation and porn use can become compulsive behaviors that individuals may feel they have little control over, leading to feelings of shame and self-doubt. By abstaining from these activities and actively choosing to redirect their focus, individuals can develop more self-discipline and control over their actions. This newfound confidence can extend beyond sexual situations and into other areas of life, such as career, relationships, and social interactions. By gaining control over one aspect of their life, individuals may feel more empowered to take charge of other areas and make positive changes. This can lead to increased success in career pursuits, stronger and more fulfilling relationships, and improved social interactions. Improved mental clarity. NoFap for 150 days can have a significant impact on mental clarity. Masturbation and sexual thoughts can be highly distracting and consume a lot of mental energy, leading to decreased focus and productivity. By abstaining from these activities, individuals can free up this mental space and energy, allowing them to direct their attention and effort toward other pursuits. This newfound mental clarity can improve focus, productivity, and overall well-being, enabling individuals to achieve their goals more efficiently and with greater ease. Improved mental clarity can also lead to greater self-awareness and a deeper understanding of one's emotions and thought patterns, which can be highly beneficial in both personal and professional relationships. Increased energy levels. NoFap for 150 days can have a profound impact on an individual's energy levels, both physically and mentally. Masturbation and sexual activity can be physically demanding, leading to a feeling of exhaustion and decreased energy levels. By abstaining from this activity, individuals can conserve their physical energy and redirect it towards other pursuits, such as exercise or work, leading to increased physical energy levels. Moreover, the psychological effects of NoFap can also contribute to an increased sense of energy and motivation. By abstaining from masturbation, individuals can develop a greater sense of self-discipline and control, leading to a boost in their self-confidence and motivation levels. Furthermore, NoFap can also improve mental clarity, enabling individuals to stay more focused and alert, which in turn increases their overall energy levels. This increased energy can help individuals pursue their goals and ambitions with greater enthusiasm and vigor, leading to greater success and fulfillment in their personal and professional lives. Additionally, NoFap can help individuals break free from any negative cycles of addiction, leading to greater feelings of freedom and self-empowerment. Better sleep. NoFap for 150 days can lead to better sleep quality due to the effects of abstaining from masturbation. Masturbation and sexual activity can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to difficulty falling asleep and staying asleep. By practicing NoFap, individuals can avoid the hormonal and physiological changes that occur during sexual activity, which can disrupt their sleep. In addition, the psychological effects of NoFap, such as increased mental clarity and reduced anxiety, can also contribute to better sleep quality. Without the distractions and mental clutter associated with sexual thoughts and fantasies, individuals may find it easier to relax and fall asleep. The resulting better sleep quality can help improve overall well-being, as individuals wake up feeling more refreshed and energized, ready to take on the challenges of the day. Improved physical health. NoFap for 150 days can lead to improved physical health due to the effects of abstaining from excessive porn and masturbation. Research has shown that excessive porn and masturbation can lead to decreased testosterone levels, which can contribute to decreased muscle mass, decreased bone density, and increased risk of heart disease. By practicing NoFap, individuals can avoid the hormonal and physiological changes that occur during sexual activity and avoid the negative impacts on physical health associated with excessive porn use and masturbation. In addition to the hormonal and physiological benefits of NoFap, individuals may also experience an increase in physical activity and exercise. With more energy and motivation, individuals may be more likely to engage in physical activity, which can improve cardiovascular health, increase muscle mass, and reduce the risk of chronic health issues. Overall, NoFap can be a valuable tool in improving physical health and reducing the risk of health issues associated with excessive porn use and masturbation. Increased creativity. NoFap for 150 days can lead to increased creativity due to the mental and psychological benefits of abstaining from excessive porn and masturbation. Sexual thoughts and fantasies can consume a significant amount of mental energy and distract from other pursuits, including creative endeavors. By abstaining from these activities, individuals may experience a greater sense of mental clarity and focus, leading to increased creativity and productivity. By breaking free from the cycle of porn and masturbation, individuals can begin to discover new hobbies, passions, and interests, which can ultimately lead to increased creativity. Additionally, NoFap can promote a greater sense of self-awareness and introspection, allowing individuals to tap into their inner thoughts and emotions and channel them into creative expression. Ultimately, NoFap can be a powerful tool for unlocking the full potential of one's creativity and promoting personal growth and development. Improve relationship. In addition to promoting greater social engagement and emotional intelligence, NoFap can also improve communication skills, which can lead to stronger and more effective relationships. When you're not consumed by porn and masturbation, you have more mental clarity and energy to invest in meaningful conversations and interactions with others. This can help you better understand others' perspectives and needs, leading to more successful and fulfilling relationships. Additionally, the self-discipline and willpower developed through NoFap can also be applied to maintaining healthy boundaries and communication within relationships, further strengthening the bonds between individuals. Overall, NoFap can be a valuable tool in improving communication, building stronger relationships, and promoting overall well-being. Practicing NoFap and not masturbating for 150 days can have significant benefits for your mental and physical health. You may experience increased confidence, improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, better sleep, improved physical health, increased creativity, and improved relationships. However, it's important to remember that NoFap is not a magic pill that will solve all your problems. It's a tool that can help you improve your life, but it's up to you to take action and make positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.